The situation may arise where you want to display physical artifacts live over Zoom, but don't have access to a document camera. It is less than ideal to do this, but what other option do you have? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to turn your smartphone into a document camera. For this method of displaying physical artifacts live over Zoom, you will need three things. First, an iPhone or iPad. If you do not own one such iOS device, then it is unfortunately not possible to use the particular screen mirroring feature that is the focus of this video. The second thing you'll need is a phone or tablet stand. I'm happy with this one, which I found on Amazon for a reasonable price. It's stable, which is especially important during extreme close-ups when small movements that would normally go unnoticed are exaggerated. In addition, this stand is long enough to allow for a wide shot of my workstation. With the arm fully extended, a folio could be kept in frame. The third thing you'll need is an app called Full Screen Camera, which you can download from the App Store. This app is going to hide the controls of the camera application on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get the app installed before we log into Zoom. We're going to access the App Store and search Full Screen Camera. Because I already have the app on my phone, an Open button appears, but you'll see a Get button. With the app installed, we'll open it and see this menu. It's important to note the message at the top. Long press the screen to return to this menu. This means that you can press and hold anywhere on your screen once you are in full screen camera mode if you want to bring this menu back up. So there are three settings options, which I've configured to best suit our purposes. I prefer to keep autofocus on so that I have one less thing to worry about. Next, we're going to open up Settings, turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and set Silence to Always. This way, if we get a call or a text on our phone while screen mirroring, it won't be visible to the Zoom audience. Now we can get logged into Zoom and have the session assistant assign co-host privileges to us so that we can share screen, select the iPhone or iPad via AirPlay option among the basic menu of screen sharing options, click Share, and Zoom is going to offer us some pretty clear instructions. So on the iPhone or iPad, we want to make sure that we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as our computer. And then in order to access screen mirroring, we're going to, depending on the iOS that we have running on the device, either swipe down from the top right corner of the screen or swipe up from the bottom of the screen and select the name of our computer. Now, once we tap the computer name, this will show up on the Zoom screen. And I can go over to my phone, open up the full screen camera app, click View Camera, and this will be broadcast to students. Because of the quality of iPhone and iPad cameras, the image broadcast to your students will be really sharp.